Well, I'm here with my Nikon 8200, which had a focal ring failure. Let's take a close look at it here, see if we can do the quick fix rather than take it completely apart. It's a little bit on the cool side. I probably should have put it in the sun for a little while to expand that ring. Let's just see, what do we have here that's not sharp? Well, I couldn't find my little picking tool from the screen repair kit, but I think a guitar pick is probably very similar. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty stuck down, so I think what we'll do is just kind of break it loose all the way around. May have to disassemble the focal ring assembly here, but I was looking online and there's a couple guys that had done some repairs. Without going to that extreme. I don't really want to take that all the way up, but I might as well get it out of the way. Ooh. There's some tape on here. Huh, I did not see that in the video. Boy, that's pretty hard to see. These lenses are infamous for this problem. But because I have not had this particular lens apart before, this model, I think we are going to go ahead and pop the entire focal assembly so we can see what's going on and get it repaired correctly. Okay, upon further investigation, I did find that you can repair this without taking it apart. This is just outside with the D200, and whoops, turn that off, I guess. So, see if I can get this in camera, and I think what's happening here, we can find it, if I can get it in camera, as you rotate the ring, you may be able to see, let me get my light over here. In this window here, you can see the ribbon cable. And I believe what's happening is that ribbon cable is glued down in a slot right there. So what I did is I just took into my paintbrush here and just gently pushed it down back into the slot where the glue is. It held down, and now it's fixed. And we can put the rubber focal band back on, and we're back in business. One more thing I would like to mention, this is a Nikon Pro lens, so it's been around for Well, it was first released in '97, I think, so almost 30 years. And if you're new to this lens and you're having trouble with autofocus, it may need repaired, or it may not work on your particular camera. It only works on specific models. It does not work on my full frame mirrorless Z6 II. It does not work on my D3200s. Luckily it works on one of my favorite cameras, the D200. And if you have any question about that, I would definitely suggest searching the ED 2.8 and on Google, and then going to Ken Rockwell's channel, and he has a plethora of information about this lens, the models of lenses, and which cameras the autofocus will work on. So I guess that's about it. And happy shooting, because this is one of the best lenses ever made, especially for the price.